Can you hear it? Before the world wakes up, nature is already singing. I hear the heartbeat of the ocean, I feel the breathing of the trees. Every little wave is a story, every falling leaf is a melody. Oh, nature, you don't need a voice to be heard. You paint the sky without colors, you write your songs without words. Morning comes with golden silence, dancing softly on the ground. Mountains hold the ancient echoes, rivers carry every sound. The wind never asked for a reason, the flowers never asked to shine. Every creature has a rhythm, every moment has a time. Maybe we forgot for a while how to listen, how to feel, running after endless answers while the simple things are real. Nature, you're the song beneath the noise, you're the whisper in the distance, you're the world's forgotten voice. Nature, you don't promise tomorrow, you don't chase yesterday, you just keep moving forward in your own beautiful way. Birds don't need a map to fly. The river doesn't fear the journey, it just follows where it lies. We are only passing moments, like shadows under the sun, but the earth keeps on creating long after we are gone.